Yeah, we got Coco.
No, it's Coo.
Coo.
Oh. Cool. Okay. Sounds cool. Hi, Joe and Al. I love your show and recommend it to anyone that will listen to it with me. Oh, cool. What are you doing to these poor folks? I recall some questions recently on your podcast asking how to project future Social Security earnings. I assume this is an estimate future expense for retirement calculations. I stumbled on this calculator on SSA.gov that may help. Here's a screenshot assuming future and annual salary.
Yeah, so on the screenshot, it's saying that full retirement age, which is about 67, it's 3,300. Taking it early at 62 is 2,300. If you wait till 70, it's about 4,100.
Okay. You can change the future annual salary to zero. This would be a conservative way to calculate what you would earn if you wanted to retire prior to retirement age. This may be conservative, but gives a good idea what you can plan for. Keep up the good work. I drive a 2009 Prius Rainier in bottles. Oh, that's like Washington beer.
Oh,
Is it
I
it?
suppose.
Rainier?
Yeah, Mount Rainier, sure.
Pet, wife has a cat. Full transparency. This is how I'm projecting my Social Security and hope it's accurate. Hopefully you can confirm or deny. Thanks. Coo. Pronounced coo as in cuckoo clock. Oh. KYU.
there you go.
Coo. That's kind of a cool name.
So this
Sorry for calling you Coco. Cool.
Yeah. Well, it's an easy mistake.
C-O-C. I thought it said C-O-C-O on it.
Yeah. Well, if you look at it quickly.
Yes.
So this is a calculator on SSA.gov, and yeah, Coo, you're right. I mean, you can put in. Apparently, they allow you at your current age to put in zero for your salary, and then the numbers go down. So now at full retirement age, it's 2,800 compared to 3,300. So yeah, this is pretty good. This only works though if you're going to retire and not get any pay right now. You can't really. It's not sophisticated enough to say I'm going to retire in 5 years. So I'm going to put zero in at that point.
Right.
There are calculators that you can buy that do that, but anyway, so this I concur. I think this probably works as long as your salary is going to be zero starting today.
And what's the total delta on this? 3,300 versus 2,800, right?
Yeah,
At full retirement age?
Full retirement age, yep. And at age 70, 4,100 to 3,500.
Okay, so it's significant. That's per month. So
yeah, and so your point is well taken. We've talked about this because people have their Social Security statement they think is going to be what they're going to get, and they retire at age 50, and then they're surprised at age 70. This is way lower than I thought.
Right.
Well, that's because it's assuming you continue at your same salary all the way to the point where you retire.
Correct. So, or to your full retirement age.
Full, but even after that, if you have higher income years there versus the first years.
So, here's another point too. Let's say if you are collect your Social Security at full retirement age and you're still working, your Social Security will continue to go up.
True.
As well. So they're going to recalculate it. So it'll never go down. Let's say if you continue to work but have lower income.
Yep.
That's all good.
Are you prepared for retirement? Schedule a free financial assessment with an experienced financial professional right online at purefinancial.com.